Good morning, students. I am Ravi Kumar, Zoology sir. Reproduction in organism, first chapter. Today we are discuss about the Plasmodium multiple fission. First of all, you know about Plasmodium. Systematic position is under the phylum namely called Protozoa and class Sporozoa, order Hemosporidae. Members of the genus Plasmodium are collectively known as malarial parasites. They cause disease namely called malarial fever or malaria. Malaria as a chill and fever disease is known to mankind for a long time. Eradication of malaria is an important problem in public health. For a long time, it was believed that malaria was caused by harmful vapors produced in marshy land. In Greek word, malo means bad plus air. Charles Lavren, a French military surgeon, for the first time noticed Plasmodium in the blood of malarial patient in 1880. Its connection with the intermediate host and the mode of transmission were experimentally worked out Calcutta by Ronald Ross in 1889. For this discovery, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1902. Grassi 1890 provided absolute scientific proof for the specific relationship between Anopheles mosquito and human malarial parasites. Okay, so just introduction for the Plasmodium malarial parasite. In Plasmodium, life cycle man is namely called zygogony. Life cycle in mosquito, female mosquito's body, sporogony, otherwise known as cycle of Ross. Okay, here the signet ring stage, season, daughter nuclei and rupturing season wall, finally come out the merozoite. The process first metacryptomerozoite, tropozoite, signet ring, amoeboid stage, zooxan, zygogony, merozoite, gametocytes. The gametocytes are seen in microgamete and macrogametes. Microgamete is considered male, macrogamete is considered female. When feeding stops, the pseudopodia disappear and the parasite becomes rounded. This stage of parasite is called zygont. This zygont contains a single nucleus and hemozoin pigments in the cytoplasm. Then the zygont undergoes zygogony. In zygogony, the nucleus and the cytoplasm divided into 12 to 24 daughter parasites called merozoites.